Right, so change that first equal sign to an if. So find x if log base 3 of x is equal to 4. Alright, so let's write down your rule. So the base is on the left, so that's where your base is for your index. That's your rule. Alright, so line everything up. So the bases are vertical and the other two variables are interchanged. And don't get confused with the x here and the x here. There are two different values, alright? So probably not the best variable to use in the question. But if you write down the process, so probably, but the question itself says x, so it has been asked, so I'm making sure we're not getting confused there. Alright, so 3 to the power of 4 is equal to x. Alright, so you should write down the rule and write down your arrow. Right, hopefully we shouldn't get these wrong. Right, 3 to the power of 4 is?
81.
81. So x is 81. Right, that makes sense because 3, this gives you the power, so 3 to the power of 4 means this value has to be 81. Okay, so you can use your common sense as well to determine the values. Don't have to be overrun the formula, but you do need to know it. Alright. D. Find A, better letter. Find A if log base A to the 16, so log base A 16 is 2, where A is greater than 0. Right, who can tell me the answer before we do any working?
That will be
4, okay, because what base to the power of 2 equals 16? Okay, 4. So A to the x is y, drop that straight down, swap these two across. So A to the power of 2 is going to be 16. Alright, and then in the equation section we looked at solving. So A squared is equal to, 4 squared, same powers, therefore the base must also be equal. And we have A equals 4. Right, last one. Evaluate. Log base 4 of 2. Alright, so let's set it as a variable so we know what we're doing. So we're going to find that value for x. So A to the power of x is y. Alright, and then replace your letters with the variables. So 4 to the power of x is equal to 2. So what must the value for x be? Half, okay. So in other words, 2 squared, all to the power of x is equal to 2 to the power of 1. Okay, so then I've got the same base. I can match my indices. So 2x is 1, x is a half. And there. Right, I'm going to stop it there because I want you to get your head around that before I move on with other laws in logarithm. That's exercise.
Can I go borrow my second textbook now?
Exercise 4.4. What to use now?
Yeah.
Yep.